Buddhism tells us that we need to be patient with our anger, with everything actually. And we as Black people have heard this for 400 years. It'll get better. Your glory is in heaven. Look for your rewards down the line. It'll happen. You just have to be patient. Well, I am a devout Buddhist, and I believe in patience, especially when it comes to trying to learn a practice, a spiritual practice, a philosophy, whatever you want to call Buddhism for you. For me, it's a religion, but for you, whatever you want to call that, when you're trying to learn something new that wasn't handed down from your parent to you, and it has so many different terms and ideas, you should be patient, especially with yourself. But Buddhism requires us to be patient with everything, including the world, including injustice. And I believe that patience works almost all the time. But I do not believe that patience works with injustice, because I believe the people who benefit from the injustice have no incentive, none, to change the way things are. But that is an erroneous understanding of Buddhist patience. It just is. The real thing that the Buddha is saying is work for what you want. Persistence is part of patience, or I should say patience is part of persistence. Persistence is patient effort. Work for what you want. Let go of the outcome. The work is the beauty in and of itself. Work for it. You can do it. You can make this thing happen. But you have to be patient, because it will not happen today or tomorrow. It is not going to happen in a finger snap, but it will happen. Maybe. It's the great thing about Zen Buddhism. It may not. The point is not whether or not it's going to happen. The point is that we have to work and be patient. Work and be patient. Persistence. We can do this. We can make the justice change that we need to make in our Black lives. That's true. I have to believe that. I have to believe that. Not so that I can do the work. The work I would do anyway. But I have to believe it because I cannot believe that for more generations, another 400 years, we are going to be killed in this manner. I just can't believe that. I refuse to believe that. I can't get up day and day and day and day thinking that there is a chance that 400 years from now, we will still be being murdered at this rate. I can't. So I have to believe that the efforts are worth it, and that every year we get closer to what we're trying to get to. But patience sounds wrong. Be patient. Black people, wait. Wait, it'll come. Don't worry. We're out here, It sounds wrong, because what we think of as patience and what the Buddha is requiring from us are not the same. The Buddha is requiring us to work and let go of the outcome. Let go of the outcome. We can do this. Stay in there. Stay in the fight. Be careful of your anger. Don't let it overwhelm you. Take breaks. Take care of yourself. Take care of your loved ones. Remember that this is not a sprint. Even though it's 400 years, it is still not a sprint. It is our duty to fight for our freedom, and it is our duty to win. And we will. I have to believe that, and I hope you do too. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next one.